Welcome to all my viewers. Standing in front of the Buckingham Palace. It has a beautiful palace garden. Today I'm going to do a walk around at St. James Park. This park is very beautiful. St. James Park was a marshy water meadow grazed on by pigs. It was often flooded by River Tyburn, providing abundant fish. It's a beautiful place for relaxation. Different kind of birds you can find, different variety of pigeons, swans, ducks, doves, and goose as well. This place is very close to nature. A lot of birds and wild animals like foxes, squirrels, you can find at this place. People often feed them, but it's not recommended to feed these birds and animals. This is a beautiful bridge you can see. A lot of visitors do come and take lovely pictures. You can see there's a tag on the leg of this bird. Every bird living here are numbered and they are well taken care by the authorities. The park was purchased in 1532 by Henry VIII, who wanted a royal deer park near St. James Palace for hunting. In 1603, King James drained and landscaped the park for birds for the royal table, using a duck decoy at the east end. Later, Charles II made significant changes to the park. These are the different waterfalls of the St. James Park. In front, you can see a beautiful fountain, and across you will see beautiful ancestral monumental buildings. This is a beautiful flower garden you can see in front of you. A mini waterfall. This is the start of the season. Just maybe a few days back, beautiful saplings of flower growing plants have been grown. It will look beautiful as time passes by here. This place is well organized and well maintained and kept clean. Even the wild animals, birds are well taken care of. They live and adapt to this beautiful surrounding over here. This is the start of a beautiful season. An ideal place to hang out with family and friends. and to stay close with nature over here. If you do like this video of mine, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.